It's a new 2025 Porsche 718 Cayman. Confident and precise, this 718 Cayman's contours hint at the power and performance within. Unmistakably Porsche, this is a car that was designed for the pleasure of driving. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Intercooled turbo H4 engine, rear-wheel drive, auto-shift manual transmission, power rear spoiler, external memory control, wireless phone connectivity, dual-zone climate control, AM/FM HD satellite radio, heated sport bucket front seats, garage door transmitter, and streaming audio. There's no substitute for a Porsche. There's even more to see in person. Take it for a test drive today.
At Porsche Atlanta Perimeter, we prove that buying a car can be a world-class experience. Contact Porsche Atlanta Perimeter today. We're conveniently located inside I-285 on Peachtree Boulevard.